Do you ever feel like you're not good enough compared to others? Na na-insecure ka that you don't measure up, kulelat ka, na iba ka, hindi ka makakatch up. You're not alone. Hi, this is Marisol Templo, and today's video will talk about how comparison destroys your confidence and how you can find your true worth through Jesus Christ, through God, not people. Social media, friends, success, looks, talents, it's easy to compare. Napakadali po talagang ikumpara kasi lalo na sa araw-araw na nakikita natin sa Facebook and other social media platforms. Comparison leads to insecurity, jealousy, and discontentment. It steals joy and distracts you from God's purpose for your life. Yan ang nagagawa ng comparison. Nakakasira talaga ng buhay, nakakasira ng pang-araw-araw na mood kung lagi nating ikukumpara ang ating mga sarili sa iba. Each one should test their own actions. Then they can take pride in themselves alone without comparing themselves to someone else. Each one should test their own actions. What does it mean? This encourages self-examination. Examine natin sarili natin muna instead of constantly watching what others are doing. God wants us to focus in